G'day mate, Simon, VA7BIX. Thank you so much for tuning in again for part 2 of Ethernet antenna for $5, 5 bands, no tuner, no worries. This part 2 is pretty extraordinary, guys, I gotta say. I've been racking my brain about alternatives to the radiating element, and that's what this video is all about. And also, guys, it's assuming that you don't have a mast and you want to build one from scratch. So sit back, grab some popcorn and enjoy the show. Woohoo! Here we go, guys. I love this store. Look at this. Oh, they got the Halloween display out. It's looking great here at Home Depot. And I know where the dowel material is. It's down the end. So more in a minute. So guys, this is Home Depot for all you Aussies watching. So this is sort of like the Bunnings of North America, or as you would call it, Bunnos. I'm just going to go down here to the dowel section. And I tried with a 3/8 piece of dowel, but it just didn't have enough body to it. And I'm really excited about this, guys, because I think it's going to be a wonderful addition to this already incredible antenna. And I've just got to get over to the right section. Okay, this is all drywalling and stuff. G'day, mate. I'm just looking for the dowel. So here's what we've got, guys. We've got 4 pieces of 4-foot length, 1/2-inch dowel. And we've got a 4-foot section of a 1-inch. Let's get home and start building this. There we go. Number 2 coming up. 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's flush. The moment of truth.
Yeah, hook it around and see if it breaks. That's I mean that's a rough way to put it.
Here you go, look. That's amazing. Doug!
You're going fishing.
So there you go. So that's going to be... Woo! Hams! You can do this too. Look at this. This is the part 2 of the Ethernet video. You know, this is awesome.
If you do a POTA activation next to a lake, you could attach some extra gear for that.
Righty, mates. Well, this is the most important part. This is the foundation for and support for the whole mast. So now what we want to do, this is an old stair tread. It's an old 2x6, and here is just a 4x4, and I'm going to fasten this onto here. And what I want to be able to do is put the tape measure on one side, and then I want to clamp the other. Ta-da! There we go, guys. So that's pretty solid. So when that's clamped down like that, it's going to be good. We'll have a stay to hold the pole. All right, guys. Well, let's get this down to the park, get it all assembled, and see if we can make some contacts. Woo! Here we go. Guys, well, we nearly forgot the most important part, and that is drilling the top out for our pulley system for this string. Just arrived to the park. And here are the materials, all the pieces I've just sort of put out here in front. So I've got the dowel, obviously, with the couplers on. I've got the guy wire, which is just ordinary tent pole cord. Over here I've got this base which I made, which is just a 4x4 drilled out to an inch bit with a 2x6 that I'm just going to be able to put the clamp, which is here, this big clamp, so I can clamp it to this bench. Now, we're getting close. The moment of truth. So I've laid out all of the radials, exactly the same as I did with the Averyt video. So now what I've done, the only thing here on the terminal block is I've changed out the center pin on that for some wire with a big crocodile clip, and that's going to clip onto the tape measure. So this is pretty cool. Imagine if this works. Well, let's find out. Woohoo! All right, showtime. This is the moment of truth. The moment you've all been waiting for. Will it work? There we go, going up the mast. Twist high at about 48 inches. And I've got the string going up the pole, and then I can raise and lower the tape measure. Alrighty, here we go. Touch this onto here and see if we hear anything. Whoa! Oh, look at the waterfall. You are kidding me. I might shorten it a little. Let's start it just here, because I'm going to have to, I bought some files too. Sorry, I'm so excited about this. I'm going to probably file the back to get better conductivity, but we know that we can hear the bands loud. And look at the waterfall. So let's have a look at the SWR on 10 meters. Transmit, are we ready? Okay, SWR is 1.5. Alrighty, so now we're at 66 inches. Let's see what the SWR is. Okay, it's coming down, 1.3. All right, well, let's go to 63 inches and let it down a little. Just drop it down. You know what? Let's even go to 62 inches. There we go. I like my little bollard just out of a screw. Oh, look at that. 1.2, 1.1. 84, 1.4. Let's go to 15 meters. 1.1 to 1, guys. At 99 and 100 inches. Woohoo! So there's 15 meters. So that's 10 feet 4 inches. Okay, the SWR is 1 to 1. Perfect. And then now let's go to 20 meters. Let's go to 15 feet 10 inches and see how that looks. Oh, look at that. 1.2 to 1. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, Simon. Victor Echo 5, Romeo Juliet Kilo. You're coming in about 5657 into my valley in Saskatchewan.
Kilowatt Golf number 6, Juliet Lima Echo. QSL, thank you. You're over at 510 here in the San Francisco Bay Area.
With P6
Alpha Bravo.
Kilo Tango.
P6 Alpha Echo.
3 Golf Kilo Tango.
QSL, thanks, Simon. You're a good 5.9 plus into Northern California.
Victor Alpha 7, Bravo India X-ray. Kilo Mach 6 Mach Zulu Mach.
Oh, very good there, Simon. Very good. 5252 here when our first call. A little bit of QSB, buddy.
Roger, buddy, roger. But the main thing is it works, mate. And your metric, so you're 477 centimeters, QSL.
Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta. Go ahead, buddy.
All right, yeah, this is Victor Alpha 5, Mike Uniform Delta, out of the mobile. How's it going there, my buddy?
Oh, good, mate. 5.5. Where's 5.5 on the antenna, mate? I've got it up and it's flapping in the wind, but I've done it, mate. I've set up this vertical. I'm using the same Averyt cables as the Radials, and now I've worked out a way to make it like a raise and lower a blind up a pulley system.
Equalize Rocky, man. You got a 5.7 beautiful signal into Saskatchewan today. I'm just taking a quick break from my
Mr.
work
Webb.
day, and I'm in my construction gear today for you.
All right, buddy. Well, listen, mate, always a pleasure. And go and check out Mr. Mudd's radio time, everybody. And he's my brother from a different mother. And we're playing construction site to crazy big tenor homemade blind
Just sounds awesome.
tape measure or something.
Sounds awesome. It just sounds awesome, man. Sounds awesome. Hey, thanks for getting me in the log. I better get back to work. 73s, my friend.
All right, Wes. Take care, buddy. 7-3.
Now we're at 1.1 and that will do. So we are at 140 inches, 11 feet 8.
Kilo Charlie 3, Lima, Quebec, Delta. QSL, Euro 55, Delta Echo, Delaware.
Delaware, woohoo! Roger, roger, buddy. 5-5 into Delaware. Holy smokes, that is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
Tango, Kilo
Kilo 0, Alpha Mike Yankee. QSL, you should patent that. It sounds like a pretty good invention to me.
Whiskey Sugar 5, Alpha Delta Victor. Hey, QSL, Simon, great to catch you again. You're 5-7 into Oklahoma City today. QSL, that is an awesome idea for POTA.
Whiskey Charlie 4, Fox Mike.
You're coming in 5-9 over here. I'm running a 710, 100 watts east of Atlanta, Georgia.
Alpha India 6, Lima Zulu.
Roger, roger. You're
Unreal.
5 in the Northern California. Q5 copy. Go ahead.
Kilo, Delta 9, Papa Mike Lima.
5-3 into Virginia. State of Virginia.
Woo! QRZ.
Whiskey 6, Alpha Echo. Thank you, Simon. How tall am I on 17?
140, actually 139 inches and 7/8. QSL.
QSL, thanks for being out there. Good luck to you. Kilo 6, Juliet Zulu.
Whiskey 6, Hotel Sierra.
Thank you so much. You are about a
5-5 into Northern California.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Lima Alpha X-ray. Hey, you are 5-3 in Colorado.
Woo! Roger. Z.
Whiskey Bravo 5, Lima, Juliet Oscar, WB5LJO. Oh, I tell you what, you're running a little better than S9 here in West Texas, El Paso, Texas. WB5LJO.
How good is this? Guys, you got, oh, this is amazing. You got to be on my video in a couple of days, buddy, and I cannot believe this antenna.
Good afternoon, Kilo 5, Whiskey Papa Hotel, the Sun City Amateur Radio Club. You are 5x9, 5x9 in Texas. USL, it's really convenient as long as it does metric and regular American stuff.
Ah, funny, mate. Well, you are 103 and 7/8 inches long. Also, that equates to 8 feet, 8.5 inches. Hi.
All right, thank you. That's outstanding. This is K5 WPH.
6 feet 10. It's at 1.3. Unbelievable. Straight away, I just spotted myself. There's Alpha Juliet 5, Charlie. Bob, step right up, buddy.
Yeah, roger, Simon, 5-5, double nickel.
Kilo Romeo 5, Echo. Roger, about a 5-5 in Texas.
1.2 at 64 inches. Woo!
Whiskey 4, Delta Victor Romeo. Roger, you're good 5'8", 5'9" here in North Carolina.
Woo!
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Juliet Lima Bravo.
Alpha Juliet 5, Charlie.
QSL, you're 5-5 here into Northwest Iowa. India Alpha, over.
Roger.
Hey, Alpha Juliet 5, Charlie.
Woo, 5'9",
Simon,
bud.
that tape measure's putting in about a 5'8".
Hey guys, well that was it. So guys, this antenna is absolutely amazing. And what an incredible addition to the already amazing Ethernet cable antenna. And all we've done is change the radiating element out to this tape measure. So lots of variations that you can do with this, but I'm definitely going to do this again. And guys, please let me know if you've got any questions. I think this is a keeper, definitely. 2x6 stair tread that I found as an offcut, and then I just put a 4x4 and drilled that out. Thanks everybody for watching. You're awesome. this antenna is so cool. It's fun to make, and it's fun being able to lift up and down the tape measure and go, well, okay, I can get an SWR lower than that. And it's amazing. Anyway, guys, take care. You're awesome. Please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for following Ham Jazz. You guys are awesome. Have a wonderful day. And 7.3 from Simon and the tape measure antenna. And we're going to call this guy the Bix Tenor. The Bix Tenor. There you go. I love that name. All right, guys, take care. 7.3 over and out.